Alright, good morning or magandang araw. I'm going to share with you how to compute naman rental expense. So if you're the lessee, kung nangungupahan, assuming this is the rental per month, syempre normally yung mga lessor na yan, may 12, batable yan, 12%. So you have to get 12% of the base, which is 30,000 times 12% is 36. Ayan na nga, naka-formula na siya. So essentially, what you're going to pay, 30,600. However, per BIR ruling, you have to withhold 5% of what you're going to pay. Of course, ang payment mo will not be based on the total rental expense, pero yung base, which is in 30,000. So if you will see here in the formula, B7 multiplied by 5%. So yun expanded withholding mo. So, ang total talagang amount due kay lessor is only 32,100. The difference ng 33,600 and 32,100, which is 1,500, ito yung babayad mo kay BIR. Now, for your entries, what you're going to post there is debit rental expense, 1,500, expanded withholding tax due because when you withheld that amount, you have to also report it to the lessor. Magsasabit ka ng tax form na 2307, yung 1,500. So, ito yung entrada mo, debit rental expense, credit expanded withholding tax due, 1,500. Kung hindi ka naman VAT, ang entrada mo would be rental expense, the full amount na babayaran mo, and accounts payable trade, 32,100. Assuming lahat ng payables mo, ilagay mo sa accounts payable trade. Kung vatable ka naman, remember you have computed 3,600. Ito ay magiging, kung output tax to ni lessor, it will be your input tax. So, rental expense, 28,500, input tax na 36, and credit accounts payable 32,100. Now, in this case, syempre, depende ko anong accounting systems ang gamit niya. But I just would like to share with you ano yung gamit kong accounting system, which is yung PB Desktop. So, in this case, pupunta ako kay vendor. I will enter bills. Alright? At nakalagay siya dito sa QB Desktop. Meron siyang selection. So, unahin ko muna yung withholding tax 2307 kasi ito ang credit niyan. And I'm going to choose yung babayaran ko na lessor. Yan. And ang i-date ko siya as November 30. Kasi sale siya ng November 30. Wala pa ako natatanggap na invoice. Kaya ilalagay ko muna to TBD, to be determined. Pero, once I receive it, pwede ko itong i-alter. Right? So, sa computation natin, sabi ko dito, unahin muna natin yung pag-post ng entries ng rental expense and withholding tax, so which is 1,500. So, 1,500, lalagay ko dito as rental expense. Meron akong rental expense exclusively for that. And then, I'll put here the amount, yung 1,500. But since this is payable to BIR, papalitan ko yan. This is BIR. Alright? So, to record, withholding tax due to BIR due on, diba, 12/10. Sa anong class niyan? Diyan. Due on 12/10. Control C. Alright. Lagay ko rin yung class nun kung saan. Bill due is that. Okay? Save and new. I-record ko naman yung dun sa lessor. Accounts payable trade naman yan. So, to record rental for month of November. Wala pa siyang binibigay. To be determined. Pwede ko i-override yan. Iko to. So, here, i-record natin siya as rental expense. Magkano? Yun na-compute natin. Kung non-VAT ka, 32,100. Alright? 32,100. Pero kung vatable ka, meron ditong input tax na. Naglagay na ako ng input, sample lang naman yan. Lalagay mo input tax, lalagay mo dyan, halimbawa, kung 3.6 to, syempre ito, hindi to 332,100. This is 28,500. Ganyan siya. So, magta-tie up pa rin yung dalawa. Tapos, ang corresponding credit niya would be accounts payable trade. But since this is, hindi to vatable, yung client konto, so I'll remove this one. I'll change this to 32,100. Copyahin ko lang to record rental for the month of November. Control V. Tanggalin ko rin to. Baka mag-error. So, 11:30 and deferred payment is 12:10. Alright, so, save and close. So, what you're going to do, refresh ko yung profit and loss. Normally, ganyan ang ginagawa ko. Nag-reflect na ba? Yes, nag-reflect na yung rental for November. So, nag-accrue na siya. Sa side naman ng withholding, if I go to balance sheet, dito, yung withholding 2307, November, so pumasok na siya dito, yung 1,500. So, itong due na to, meron pa kasi isang lessor. I have to pay this on or before December 10. So, kung ibuksan mo yan, ano ba yung composition niya? Yung dalawa, na isa dinebit ko for rental, isa prepaid, and then ito yung na-record natin, yung 1.5. So, I hope this helps in the understanding of posting of rental expenses sa libro. Case-to-case basis to kung anong gamit yung app. Sometimes, iba, mini-merge yan, compound entry, debit, rental expense, credit, withholding tax 27, accounts payable trade 31, and at ang total naman yan will end up 33,600. Tama rin yun. So, I'm just showing you kung ano na lang yung gamit kong QB application, which is yung QB desktop. So, I hope this helped and see you in my next video.